Good morning, students. How are you? I hope all of you are fit and fine. So today we are going to study a new chapter, that is exponent and powers, and this is whole new concept for you. So you see clearly and you try to understand this. Okay. So what is this exponents and power? So before that I want to ask you some questions. Do you know what is the mass of Earth? Okay, if you write the mass of Earth, that will be how much you know. If I'll write in the number, can you read it? Look at here. 5970 000, then 000, then 000, 0, then 000, 0 kg, like this. This is the mass of Earth. But how can we are knowing that billion, trillion? Till that we are knowing. Okay, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, trillion, 10 trillion, 100 trillion. So this will be this much trillion. Okay, so this much is this mass of the Earth is very much big in kg. Like that, if you are writing the mass of Uranus, that is also like same big number, and we cannot read this properly. Then if you ask which has greater mass, we cannot compare it because this one is also like 86800, then 000. Like this much. So if I have to compare, then distance between Sun and Saturn, like this. These are used in our astronomy. Okay, and in geography we are using. And how we'll write these things so that we can easily understand and we can easily write and read these things. So for this much big number, what we are doing, we are using exponents. Okay, exponents make these easy to read, write, understand and compare. So you can easily read, easily write and you can easily understand and compare. Okay, so एते बड़ो बिग नंबर को तमे लेखिया को कष्ट, ताकू पढ़िबा को कष्ट, ताकू एक्सप्लेन करिया को भी कष्ट, ताकू कंपेयर भी कर पारे. But if you have exponent, you are using exponent, then you can easily use it. Like here you see what it is written, 10,000. So for that, here 10,000 means 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 4 times 10 is multiplied. So instead of writing 10,000, you can easily write as 10 to the power 4. Then you see 8 into 8 into 8. So what is that? 8 cube. So these are the form of exponent. To write Raj numbers in short form, we use exponent. In this 10 to the power 4, here 4 is your exponent and 10 is your base. So here 10 is called base and 4 is called the exponent. Okay, so here we'll read the number 10 to the power 4. We can read as 10 raised to the power of 4, or we can read as we can read 4th power of 10. So this is the 10 to the power 4 is the exponential form of 10,000. So we can read it as 10 to the power 4. Instead of writing this much big number, we are writing in the short form. And this short form is what? exponent form where 4 is the exponent, 10 is the base. Instead of 8 into 8 into 8, what we can write? 8 to the power 3. That is 3 is exponent and 8 is base. So here look, 10 to the power 4 is called the exponential form. Exponential form of 10,000. So we are knowing that how to expand the number. Expansion of number, natural number. Look at here. Here 247,983. So this one we have written as 2 into 100,000 plus 4 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1,000 plus 9 into 100 plus 8 into 10 plus 3 into 1. That one we can write it as 2 into here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 to the power 5 plus 4 into 10 to the power 4 plus 7 into 10 to the power 3 plus 9 into 10 to the power 2 plus 8 into 10 plus 3 into 1. Like this we can express in exponential form. Okay, so here express 256 as power 2. We'll put power 2, we'll make it, means we'll keep the base 2. Okay, we'll keep the base 2 and express it in exponential form. So what we'll do, we'll take the, we'll divide it. Okay, then 2 6 ja 12, 4 ja 8, then 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, then 16 2 ja 32, then 2 8 ja 16, then 2 4 ja 8, next 2 2 ja 4. So here by this we can say that 256 equal to how many 2 are multiply? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So instead of writing this much big, what you can write? 2 to the power 8. So 8 times 2 is multiplied. That one we are writing as 2 to the power 8. If you are writing 3 into 3 into 3, how many times 3 is multiplied? 3 times. So this one you can write as 3 to the power 3, and this 3 you can write as 3 cubed. You can read as 3 cubed. If I am writing 3 into 3, that is what? 3 square. This you can read as 3 squared. So if exponent is 2, you will say 3 squared. If exponent is 3, you can say 3 cubed. After that, what you will take? 3 to the power 4, 3 to the power 5, 3 to the power 6. Okay, like this. So look at here, which one is greater, 8 square or 2 to the power 8? So let's see, we'll find out 8 square equal to 8 into 8, because 8 is 2 times multiplied. 8 is 64. Next we'll see 2 to the power 8. It is how much? 8 times multiplied. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how much you got? It is 256. So look at here, which one is greater? 256. That's why 2 to the power 8 is greater than 8 square. Next see, next example, expand a cube b square, a square b cube. Are they all same? First we'll expand. A cube b square equal to a cube means a is multiplied 3 times and b is multiplied 2 times, means a into a into a into b into b. That one you can write that a into a into a into b into b. Next we will write a square b cube. A is multiplied 2 times, a into a, b is multiplied 3 times, b into b. So this one you can write as a into b into b into b. Are both same? No, because here 3 A's are there, here 2A, here 2 B's are there, here 3 B. So these are not same. But if I'll write B square A cube, this is equal to this? Let's see. B square A cube equal to B into B into A into A into A. So look at here. Here A is 3 times multiplied. Here also A is 3 times multiplied. Here B is 2 times multiplied. Here also B is 2 times multiplied. That's why these are same. Next you see 10 to the power 2 is read as 10 squared. 10 to the power 3 is written as 10 cubed. You can read as 10 cubed. Then 10 to the power 4 that is written that you can read as 10 raised to the power 4, or you can write fourth power of 10. 10 to the power 5 that is 10 raised to power 5, or fifth power of 10. Like this you can read. Next, express 1000 as a product of powers of prime factors. Okay. So first we'll find out prime factor, then we can see what it is there. So what you will do? You will find out the prime factor. So 1000 equal to, means you can write 2 into 500 equal to 1000, then 2 into 250, then you can easily write 125, then 5 25 ja 125, then 5 5 ja 25. Next we cannot multiply 5 1 ja 5. So if we are writing 1000, what you will write? 1000 equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 3 2's are there, then 5 into 5 into 5. How many 5's are there? 3 5. So you can write it as 2 5, means how many 2 are there? 2 3. So 2 to the power 3 into how many 5's are multiplied? 3 5. 5 to the power 3. So these are the prime factors. Next is work out 1 to the power 5 minus 1 to the power 3 minus 1 to the power 4 minus 10 to the power 3 minus 5 to the power 4. So what you will do? Here you know the rule that minus 1 whole to the power odd number is minus 1. Okay, minus 1 whole to the power even number is equal to 1. Let's see. 1 to the power 5, that is how much? 1 is multiplied 5 times. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1. 1. Next you see 1 to the power minus 1 to the power 3 means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So first you look, minus into minus is how much? Plus. Then plus into minus is how much? Minus. 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1. So when you have exponent odd number, then what you are getting? Minus 1. Let's see when you are having exponent even number, minus 1 whole to the power 4. That will be minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So plus is there, no need of writing sign. 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1. So when exponent is odd number, you are getting, even number, you are getting positive number. So minus 1 whole to the power odd number is minus 1, minus 1 whole to the power even number is 1. So if I am writing minus 1 whole to the power 101 equal to how much? This is what number? Odd number. So you will write minus 1. If I am writing minus 1 whole to the power 100 equal to how much? 100 is even number, so answer is 1, positive number. Okay. Next example, minus 10 to the power 3. So minus is there means what will be there? Minus is how much? So minus 10 into minus 10 into minus 10. Here odd number is there, that's why it is minus. Minus into minus plus into minus. Then 10 into 10 into 10 is how much? 1000. Next minus 5 whole to the power 4. That is how much? Minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. So here even number is there. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. So plus 5 5 is 25, 25 5 is 125, 125 5 is 625. Like this you can easily find out the answer of the power, or you can express it in exponent form, or you can easily find out the result of an exponent form. Okay, so this is about today's class. Thank you.